Let's do an unboxing video, shall we? DynoJet, this is the latest one out. Power Series 3. I've got this one for the FTR1200 Indian. It's got some major fueling issues. So let's have a look and see what we get in the box. Alright, so that's the control module. Now this is supposed to be completely waterproof. You can mount this on your dash. Get instant telemetry from your engine while you're riding along, so that's going to be pretty good. Some packing. Alright, so this is the bit that interfaces with the ECU. That just plugs in there. That doesn't really look like it's a terribly waterproof fitting though. For something that's going to be mounted on your dash, it's got to be reasonably waterproof. We'll see how that goes. What else is in here? USB. Mini. There's installation guide. Yeah, website. Some stickers. Warranty card. Velcro, double-sided tape Velcro, something to keep it dry. Okay. So this is not one of the reprograms that sits between your ECU and your injection system and all your instruments. This actually reflashes the ECU, so it uploads a completely different set of operating instructions for the ECU. Oh, okay, that little side one plugs so you can put it in there. So when you go on their website, you can download whatever parameters you want. Catalytic converter removed, different muffler, different airbox. Apparently all the parameters are there. You download them onto this and then you upload them as you go. Stay tuned for that video. That's going to be interesting.